In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a secret affiliate marketing strategy you can do from anywhere in the world without a website, without previous experience, or without even showing your face online. I'm literally going to pull back the curtain and reveal to you a little known traffic source that you can get up and running by the end of the video, and it will start to pump in leads and sales for you on total autopilot. Now, as you watch this entire video, I'm literally going to reveal every single step, so there's going to be no missing pieces. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to generate the income you truly want. What's going on? Garrett here. Welcome to my affiliate marketing channel. Now, if you're new here, I teach people exact methods on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're new here and you're excited to learn the method in today's video, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know to make more videos just like this. Also, I want to help you achieve your financial goals. So if you could comment the answer to this question, I can understand you better. What is your why when it comes to making money online? You know, what is motivating you to do this? Is it quitting a job? Is it helping out your loved ones? Is it traveling the world? The more clear you can be on your why, the more motivated you can become to achieve your goals. And also, I will enjoy reading that because I'll learn better what you're trying to achieve, so my future videos can be catered to what you need to know. Okay, so that being said, let me go ahead and dive into the very first step in this powerful method. Okay, so the first thing is we need to find products to actually promote, and you can go to many different places online. I'm going to use clickbank.com for the sake of this training. So just go to clickbank.com, and if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. If you don't, it's very easy. Just click start here, and then there's going to be some simple questions. Go ahead and answer, and then go through the process like that. Okay, now it's very simple, takes just a few minutes, and it's totally free to actually join and access products to promote. Now, once you're inside your dashboard, what you want to do is go to the top tab and go to marketplace. And this is going to list all these different categories of products you can promote: arts and entertainment, computers and internet. Now, the sky's the limit with this method, and it will work in whatever category you want to go in. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do e-business and e-marketing. I know a lot of you guys are interested in promoting products, teaching people how to make money online. So that's what I'm going to focus on. Now, we want to go to the very top, and on ClickBank, we want to sort results by gravity. This is basically going to list the best-selling products at the top of the page. So if we promote products that are selling well for other people, chances are we're going to be able to make sales very easily as well. Okay, so we want to look at this, and we also want to keep in mind the average dollar per conversion. Okay, this is how much money on average we're going to make for every sale that we make with promoting this product. Okay, so for this one, it's $33. This is $62. I like to do anything above $25 because that's going to make it worth your while, and that's going to be a good amount of money. Okay, so this one right here has a gravity score of 238, which is absolutely incredible. Anything above, again, about 30 on the gravity score is pretty good. So this is incredible. This one right here, gravity score 108 and 62 average dollar per conversion. That's really good. This one's good. So they have a lot of products that are really good inside of this category. So what we're actually going to do with this powerful method is we're not just going to promote one product, we're actually going to promote many, so we could potentially earn money with multiple different income streams. So how do we do this? What we want to do is we want to actually go to a website called beacons.ai. Now, this is actually a free to join website. So if you don't have an account, you just want to click sign up, and you want to go through the process. Takes just a few minutes. And once you have an account, we want to go to our page here. Now, the cool thing about this page and this tool is this is going to allow you to actually include many different links on one page. So we're essentially going to be promoting one link, which will give people multiple different chances to actually buy from us. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to actually click add new link. Now, for the title, okay, we want to go back to ClickBank, and we just want to get this top product here. We want to copy the title there. We want to go back here and paste that in. Now, for the website, okay, we just want to go back here. We want to click promote, create hop link. Okay, now this is going to be our affiliate link. So anytime someone goes to this link and buys the product, we will get credit and we will earn money. We want to do that right here, and we want to paste that in there. So now you can see that it's adding that button. Okay, I'll share with you what this looks like so far. Okay, so it says, Garrett Berry, and I can, add an image. I can make this look better. This is just a bare and bones structure to get you going so you can see how powerful this actually is. So I go there, welcome to my page, and you can see right here this button. they click here, and then it's gonna redirect to the affiliate link, okay, which is the sales page here. Now, what we wanna do is we wanna go back here and we actually want to copy this next title, go here, add new link, okay? Title, and then the link right there, you know, promote, create, copy this affiliate link just like that, go back here, paste that in. And we want to do this for at least 3. So I can do add new, and I'm going to do it one more time. Let's go to, you know, this one right here is pretty good. Promote, create hop link, copy, put that in. And again, we're making sure that the products that we're promoting has a good gravity score and also a good average dollar per conversion, which all of these do, okay? And then put the title in right there. And then that's pretty darn good. And I can go ahead and again, view what this looks like. Okay, so you can see right there, live chat jobs get paid. Okay, so these are all very high converting products that pay us well. And now we give people multiple options. They could buy one, they could buy many. So now we want to go back to here. And like I said, you can go ahead and make this look a little bit better. So I can, you know, do like an image grid. If I want to do that, I can change the color. You can really just play around with this. I can also, you know, create the design if I want to change like the color. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see how that's looking. Okay, like that, right? I can go ahead and change the image, right, by going to settings up here. And then I can actually go to design. Okay, like that. And then I can go to my page and I can go to, you know, header. And if I want to, you know, put in a photo, I can go ahead and upload a photo. Okay, like this. Right, choose a good photo of myself, and I can go ahead and do that. You can also just put a different photo, okay, from Google Images if you don't want to use the photo of yourself, and you can see that it's looking pretty good, okay? And again, if I spend a little bit more time, I can make this a little bit nicer, but this is good for now. Now, the next step is now that we have this link, we're gonna wanna get people to go to this link because they'll see all these different products, and when they click one, okay, they're gonna get taken to a very high converting sales page, and if they decide to buy, we're gonna be able to make money. Now, the traffic method I'm about to reveal to you is absolutely incredible. It's autopilot once you get it going, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So if we go to twitter.com, you want to have an account. Now, if you don't have a Twitter account, it's very simple. You just go through the process, create an account for free, takes just a few minutes. But what you want to do on Twitter is you want to actually make a tweet. Now, you want to make a tweet that has to do with building curiosity, getting people interested in what it is you're promoting or you're talking about, whatever category you actually pick, you want to actually make a post like that, okay? So I say here, do you want to discover how to generate high ticket affiliate commissions on autopilot and get paid instantly? Check out some results below. I just got sending a few clicks. And then I say, want to see a free video revealing how? Go here. And then I have my link. So this would be your link tree. And then I have an image. So what we can do is we can actually go ahead and make a tweet. So I can say something for the sake of this video. This has to do with making money online and things like that. So I can say, do you want to discover the easiest way to make 300 bucks a day online? Go here. And then what we want to do is we actually want to take the link to our beacons.ai, our link right there, and we want to put that in there. Now what we can do is we can actually go to Google, and I can go to Google Images, and I can type in something like income proof, and I can go ahead and look if they have any income proof, or I can type in money, okay? So I can just find an image that's gonna be attention grabbing, or I can say, you know, money proof. So, I mean, I can take this one right here, for example, or I can take this photo here, and I can download this, and then I can upload that as my tweet. Okay, so you can see right here that I just uploaded this photo here. So that looks pretty darn good, right? That's gonna get people's attention. Do you want to discover the easiest way to make 300 bucks a day online? Go here. They click there, it takes them to my Beacons page here, and they have multiple different options to click and start to make us money. Now, how do we get people to see this tweet though? You may be wondering, right? If we go here, we post it, how are people actually gonna see this? So what I wanna share with you is a powerful method to actually get a massive amount of people to see our link on our tweet. So what you can do is you can actually go to a site called socialpanel.io. Now, when you actually go to this site, what you can do is go to category, and you can actually scroll through and you can find something that says Twitter retweets. And what that does is if we submit our link, so if I go here and I get the link to this status and I go back here and I post that link in right there and I choose the quantity that I want, right? Now they have, you know, from 10 to 20,000. Let's say I want 30 retweets. You can see right here, that would only cost about 31 cents. So what we're doing is we're paying paying this site to retweet our Twitter post, and that will get tons of people to actually view that tweet. And when they view this tweet and they see the photo, they see the link, they're gonna go to that link, they're gonna click one of these buttons, they're gonna go to our affiliate sales page, buy, and we're gonna be able to make money on autopilot. And the sky's the limit. I mean, you can see that if I were to do, let's say, 1,000 retweets, that would only be $10, okay? Which is absolutely incredible. So there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed this very powerful and simple affiliate marketing strategy. If you did, be sure to click the like button. Also subscribe with the bell icon. I'm gonna be posting more weekly videos just like this. This is totally simple. Remember, all you have to do is create that link tree, start to get people to retweet your Twitter posts that you make, and you can get floods of traffic on autopilot. It's really powerful, and I haven't even scratched the surface. If you want to take affiliate marketing even further, be sure to click the first link directly below. That will take you to a free video revealing my #1 affiliate training program to go even further and really scale this up to hit your financial goals. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.